Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, Euro Sterling dip as investors assess rate outlook. The euro dipped against the dollar on Thursday after the European Central Bank raised interest rates by a widely expected 50 basis points, while the Bank of England adopted a more dovish tone on inflation. And as a result, we saw a big drop on the chart of Euro USD. Euro USD, after making a high of 1.1032, there was a big fall, and right now standing at 1.0888. And in fact, we also saw a massive recovery on the chart of DXY as well. After FOMC, DXY broke the critical support of 101.25. It made a low of 100.80. But yesterday we saw big recovery on DXY, and DXY is back inside the range again. So 101.89, this is the current market price of DXY. Okay, and to bring some more flares to the party, we have NFP today, non-firm payroll, another big event for the forex traders. My dear friends, please be careful during the event, especially beginners, new traders. If you have low capital right now, then please try to close down all your positions, US dollar positions, before the news, because market may show extreme volatility. Observe the market, watch the news, gain some experience, but try to close down your positions because capital protection should be your first priority. Okay, and news trading is really one of the most difficult form of trading. Okay, so now let's get back to the chart. So first of all, I would like to mention one thing very clearly, that see, the direction of the market is mostly determined by fundamentals. Okay, yes, there are two analysis in the market, fundamental analysis and technical analysis. And fundamentals are the big brothers of the market. It means that the direction of the market is determined by the fundamentals, and technicals help us for entry and exit purpose only. And most importantly, we must understand that we are retail traders. Okay, we do not drive the market. Okay, so there are some limitations as retail traders. Okay, and we are stuck with fundamentals because we cannot change so we are stuck with technicals. Okay, we are stuck with technicals because we cannot change the fundamental factors that drive the market. Okay, so as a result, do not try to predict the market candle by candle. Okay, because your journey will be very tough if you try to do that. And whenever you'll see a picture like this, when the picture is not clear, then the best form of trading is to trade from level to level, to trade only on those levels that you understand, that we understand. Because after all, we are retail traders. We cannot predict the market candle by candle at each and every price level, and that is the bitter reality of the market. Okay, because we do not have that kind of money, that kind of capital that will change the direction of the market. So right now on the chart of Euro USD, the trading opportunities that I see are very less. In case I miss anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. After all, we are all students of the market. Okay. So first of all, if market comes down, okay, already market is under the dominance of sellers. So if market comes down to the support level of 1.0800 or around 1.0800, it can be 1.0805 also, it can be 1.0795 also. If market comes down to this level, observe the market. If you see market taking support just like previous times, okay, then we can consider taking a buy position. How do we understand that? If you see price rejection from below, if you see market forming a hammer kind of a pattern, you can consider a buy position. But in case if you see market approaching the support with candles like this, big red candles like this, it means that the selling pressure is high and the market is about to break the level. After all, no level is permanent in the market. So once you see market approaching 1.0800 around this level, be cautious and look how the market is reacting. If market bounces, go for a buy position. In case the selling pressure is high, market will break it, then instead of taking a sell position, because market has shown extreme price rejection previously around this area, Instead of taking a sell position, watch the market around 1.0770 to 1.0760. This is the second support of the market. And hopefully market will not break the second support at least, because yes, because today we have NFP, market will be very volatile, but in case market falls also, I think that market will be able to take support around this area. The reason behind considering this level is we have Fibonacci 50% retracement level, previous price rejection around this area, and we also have the 200 moving average coming up. Okay, so these two are supports for today, and in case market starts going up, to be honest, the only good resistance that I see on the market is around 1.1020 to 1.1050. In case market goes up, there is a possibility that market may form a double top and reverse again like this. Okay, so if market does that, you can consider taking a sell position, but yes, observe the market first. This is the main difference between a trader and a gambler. Okay, so this is it, my difference. These are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. Please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, capital protection should be your first priority. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.